Okay, now so here I have some chicken feet, but the thing is, one thing I don't like about buying chicken feet in America is that the long bone that normally here, they take it off. I don't know, most store does that. I don't know why, but anyway, let's get started. Today I'm gonna make some stew chicken feet, but I'm not gonna do the burnt sugar method today. I'm gonna just add regular browning as usual from the store. So I'm gonna put some, this is some pureed seasonings, onions, garlic, all of that. And like always, in the description box below, all these ingredients will be there. Okay, all of this will be there. So I'm adding that, and now I'm gonna also go into my, as usual, my favorite, some Maggi, and I'm estimating again about a tablespoon. And some chicken seasons. Like I said, about a tablespoon. This is a Jamaican dish that I love to use, guys. Love to cook. Oh my. Tastes so nice with some nice hot white rice. Yes. And I'm gonna put some jerk season also. And now some smoked paprika. Okay, this is a delicious recipe, and here, like I said, it's the stew chicken feet, but I'm not gonna do the burnt sugar method. I'm just gonna add the browning right here into it. Let's use one of this and get this out. And if you want more, you can go ahead and add some more, because if I rub it up and it wants some more, I am going to put some more. And now, last but not least, I still go ahead and I put all this goodness right in here. All right, now look at that, and it's not even rub up yet. Enough time. I'm rubbing all of this nice season all together right here in my chicken feet. Get all that nice flavor into my chicken feet. I'm going to wrap him up and put him into the fridge, or put him aside for 30 minutes and then straight into the pot. One thing with this, you just dump everything and close him down and let him go and simmer until I'm ready for some more water. Alright, so when I cook it, make sure just the same. Now everyone, as you can see right there, see the chicken foot spring its own water. You can tell I do not put any water in it. I only let it sit right there, like I said I was gonna, like I told you I was gonna make it do. Sit right there and spring its own water. And I'm still not gonna put on any, because it's on low heat until I am ready. Okay, soon come back again. Now people, at this point the meat is about sticking into the pot bottom. See, as you can see right there. So now this is what we're gonna do now. We're gonna pour some water, just like that, and not a lot, still not a lot, because remember, we're not boiling our meat. Okay, we want our meat have that nice stew juiciness, but not boiling the meat. Stew it down like a dry stew. Okay, so this is what we have right here so far. Chicken foot still stiff, as you can see. Need to cook down a bit, so I'm gonna put my stove up a little bit more. All right, see them people, see it there. This is what it looks like when you turn the flame right up. I mean, it will bubble up nice and sweet, smells nice. And all know the other recipes now add to it. Yes, this man, chicken feet in the morning. See it there? This time people, we are gonna put in we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna put in some ketchup. Yeah, a gravy time to make gravy. And we're gonna also put in the rest of seasoning. All right, just like this. Add them in there. See that? Pure niceness this. Taste nice, smell nice, and look nice. See it, yeah? Now I'm going to simmer and make a little gravy. I want the gravy a little bit thick up. And there you have it. Your meat I go finish. So I soon come back. When you make him gravy, I go show you. Alright? Yes. See it here, everyone. See it here, everyone. Some nice stew chicken feet in the morning. See it here. Here, having this with some nice hot white rice, just like I said, for dinner in the Thursday morning here. Nice goodness. So if you eat early, for food settle in your stomach. So remember, this is from my kitchen, straight on your table. Now don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so very much for watching.